In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a number field to a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Let's dive right in so you can learn how to create professional and functional PDF forms tailored to your needs. First, you'll want to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By doing this, you ensure that your document format is compatible with all the tools that Acrobat offers for editing. Once your PDF is open, focus your attention on the global toolbar at the top. Here you will find an option labeled All Tools. Click on it and then select Prepare a Form. This feature is specifically designed for creating interactive forms with fields that users can fill out directly on their devices. Next, identify the text field you wish to convert into a number field. Right-click on this field and select Properties. Now this is where the transformation begins. You'll be presented with several tabs. Navigate to the tab labeled Format. Within this section you will find an option called Select Format Category. From the drop-down, choose Number. This sets the field to only accept numerical input, effectively transforming it into a number field. Under the Number Options section, you'll notice various customizations available, such as setting the number of decimal places and choosing a separator style. Depending on your requirements, you might also want to add a currency symbol or configure the symbol's location. Additionally, you can adjust how negative numbers are represented. These options increase the versatility of the number field and can make it more suited to specific types of data entry you anticipate for your form. After customizing these settings, it's time to click Close to apply and exit the Properties screen. It's always a good idea to test the new settings to ensure your fields perform as expected. Click on Preview located at the bottom left of the window. This lets you interact with the PDF as if you were the end user. Try entering numbers into your new number field. If everything is set up correctly, you should only be able to input numbers and not letters or special characters. Once satisfied with your adjustments, all that's left is to exit out of the preview mode and remember to save your work. Regularly saving helps prevent the loss of changes and ensures that your document remains up to date with the latest modifications. And there you have it. You've successfully added a number field to a PDF form. Through these steps, you've enhanced your PDF's functionality, making it more interactive and useful for users who will be filling it out. Adobe Acrobat Pro DC equips you with powerful tools to customize your forms to fit a variety of needs. Thanks for following along with this tutorial and happy form creating.